Okay, here we go.
It's gonna be a chip, but I just want to cut the test key first. There we go.
Perfect. Check the ignition.
I'm gonna go cut.
Hey, we already cut the mechanical. Mechanical works. Now we'll cut the transponder key. Nice and quick. OBD right there. Easy, easy. And I'm going to use the Smart Advanced Diagnostics SmartPro. This was all keys lost. Is it 2006? 2006.
Right there, 2004 to 2008 blade. Immobilizer, connect. Ignition's on. We're going to erase all the keys and then add in 2. Minimum 2 keys required. Clear keys success. Cycle the keys. Starter's gone. Back. Cranks.
We know the starter's gone on this.
And if you look right there.
Where? Oh, right.
Right here where my finger is.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
See where it says the number 2?
Yeah.
2 keys are programmed into the car.
Perfect. And the starter's shot on this, so it's not our problem. But security light's off. Said it took the programming.
Yep.
We're all good.
Okay. And you notice the nice British Columbia flag in there, right?